Everyone, it's Carrie from Carrie's Wreath Creations. I'm here today with a quick tip on how to quickly load your Unique in the Creek board. So this might seem really silly, but I've actually come across some people who are not aware that you could actually load the board a little bit quicker than you think you might. So now the traditional way I see people load boards is they just go down one hole and then they go up the other hole. And of course you want to make sure that your zip ties are facing the right direction so that when you close it and you want to do your little, you want to hear the little clicking happen. So I see a lot of people do the loading from the front, just like I showed you. But a quick way to do it, and this is going to only work if you have the right kind of zip ties, because the little the sort of knobby end of the zip tie needs to be small enough to fit through the holes. So I use, these come in a pack of 1,000 from Amazon, and they're, I believe, 6 inches long. Is that right? 6 inches. Okay. And as you can see, the knob or the head is pretty small. So what I do to quickly load my boards is I turn it over to the back, and this is an authentic Unique in the Creek board. It's a small board. So I take my zip tie and I hold it so that the flat part here, okay, so if you're looking at it, this is the flat part. Here's the part where the little knob is kind of sticking out. I hold the flat part away from me. Let me make sure I'm on camera. And then all I do is I just kind of bend it like this and just put both ends right through. So again, take my zip tie, okay, here's the flat end right here, so it's away from me, and then pop it right through, okay? So again, it's only gonna work if the little end is not too big to go through the holes. But again, flat end away from me, and then I just pop them right through, and then I come over to the front and lock them. And so that saves me a little bit of time rather than kind of trying to start from the front and thread them through and then reaching around the back and you can't see what you're doing. So that has been helpful for me in loading my boards pretty quickly. So again, might seem silly, might have been something you thought of yourself, but if you haven't, I hope this was a good, quick little tip for you. Take care. Have a great day. Be sure to check out all my social media, YouTube, description box, all those good things. Until next time, take care.